Asante Kotoko aye adwuma no kama. Me no ka say full 90 minutes no abawie plus the referee the two. So Asante Kotoko 2 Bibiani GOLDSTARS 0 El Baba Sports Stadium in the midweek outstanding game match day 2 ranka wo say baso na sisi ya clear for me no ka say Asante Kotoko awini a movie Asante Kotoko into the top 4 of the Ghana Premier League. Na dynamics ni nyina no me de bro ewo fie aha super 24 TV di no Nazel Hamza ubetimi aframe the blog man enye kasatente in 2-3-4 minutes near the chichemu bia no bro enne kumasa Asante Kotoko line up or the start no uhu say enne Aziz Aruna Dari maintain no ne chese Asante Kotoko for the Premier League the coach Zito Ayana agency obe yusu Aziz Aruna Dari and about 2 and 3 no Lord Amo and Patrick Siedu as expected 4 and 5 no so yenya Samba Unel and the senior man Joseph Ablo and omani mu hono na omani meka so omani mu defenders na nim no Lord Hilary Adabo and the gina omani mu and yenya Hubert Jew and yesenya wallet name of Husseini and the wings no was starting Joseph Amon and Joseph Amon or starting Joseph Amon and on the other side also Peter Midu Aqua started and striking role as usual your informed striker Albert Amoa and also started as a striker for Kumasi Asante Kotoko Obo go no Kumasi Asante Kotoko in the first half in the 60th minute solo effort and Peter Midu Aqua towards Nidi Kaima Asante Kotoko and in the second half you buy 51st minute and Albert Amoa aboard the second goal for Kumasi Asante Kotoko on the verge of Bibiani GOLDSTARS for penalty box no and unya bono Kelly ne kota net no kama after that and Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye few changes set kwadwo bembe ye Philip Amon make Philip Amon am ga say Joseph Amon Philip Amon and obeyi ne free wa koba say ono so benya taste coach na ye na adwen say obe maintain 2-0 score line actually and osade Inusa any new player be our bem do kokko no also ebem be having taste of the Ghana Premier League and also could see hona me no ka say Asante Kotoko abeda 4th in the Ghana Premier League. Kotoko want a chance to go to the first of the Ghana Premier League in Chichemu a tout one said Asante Kotoko was outstanding game back me no ka say has ufuk and that third na mama from first to fourth no from first no team anano no yene ball draw fie which is Heart of Lions or 10 points and a Mediama 9 points that second and a House of Fook 8 points that third and a Kumasi Asante Kotoko sisi me no ka say no wabeda 4th with 7 points only Asante Kotoko and about 3 games omo maka omuda Kotoko enim nyina no omabo say omabo 4 games into Asante Kotoko outstanding it's against Basaki Holy Stars. So she Basaki Holy Stars have no shini ya Kotoko that first. And now weekend a day any Nations FC and a ball. So I game no. I'm told to say a away game and only the